kwa heshima yako nimwalike naibu wa rais Mheshimiwa Rigathi Gachagua ambaye amekuwa kibao mbele kwa mambo ya wakulima, kwa kahawa, kwa maziwa, kwa chai. Asante sana. Karibu Mheshimiwa naibu wa rais.
Asante sana waziri wetu. Your Excellency, our President, all protocols observed. Once more, we want to thank you for creating time. When you decided that you want to spend time in the Mount Kenya region, you did inquire about the status of Kiganjo, where you had come several years ago, and when you were briefed that it is ready for commissioning, you put it in your program. We want to say thank you. I don't want to say much because the President will speak for us, and we have another engagement elsewhere. Your Excellency, you did instruct me to lead public sector reforms, and specifically in the dairy subsector. Your Excellency, this subsector has been the worst victim of state capture and conflict of interest. And the reforms have begun in earnest, and you have heard when the price of 50 shillings is mentioned, there are some mamas at the back. Is that so? Because when KCC pays 50, the cooperative societies deduct too much money than what is required. And as a result, Your Excellency, we are planning the dairy conference in Nakuru in early September, and one of the issues to be discussed is the Cooperative Act and the amendments that will be done to that act to protect farmers from exploitation. So I want to ask farmers to be a little bit patient. That matter will be addressed. One of the ways, Your Excellency, your government has dealt with state capture and conflict of interest in this industry was to change the entire board of Kenya Dairy Board. That board had been appointed by one processor to protect the interest of the processor to the detriment of the farmers. That has already been addressed in earnest, and going forward, there will be more reforms that are coming. Finally, I want to confirm, Your Excellency, I am a farmer. I have a small dairy farm I started the other day, and I deliver my milk here, and I've been paid on the 5th of this month at 50 shillings. Hiyo pesa hata kwangu mimi mwenyewe ni kidogo. And why I have done that, ndio niweze kupigania hii wakulima nikiwa mmoja wao. Kwa hivyo hiyo 50 ni kidogo, and therefore the reforms are coming. Wakulima tutaitana nyote tukubaliane on the reforms that we need in this sector. I want to thank the chairman of Dairy Board and your board kwa ile kazi mnafanya ya kukinga wakulima, because Your Excellency, in some neighboring countries, some of these cartels have gone there. They import milk from Europe. They pack it in our neighboring countries to take advantage of the trade treaties with our neighbors and dump cheap milk into this country. So along the way, we'll have a conversation, Your Excellency, with our neighboring countries so that they are not used by the very people who have been oppressing these farmers to import milk from Europe, process it in their country, and bring it here under the East African Community Treaty. Kwa hayo mengi, ningeuliza nyote msimame, munisaidie kumkaribisha Rais wa Jamhuri ya Kenya kwa makofi, kwa vigelegele na ngemi ya wamama wetu kutoka hapa. Karibu Mheshimiwa Rais.